morning. Today is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. We are going to be reading Splash Dogs today. Tex takes Gran and the kids to meet his dogs, Buck and Pup. Buck is a big black dog. Pup is just a pup. We can take them to the lake so you can see their tricks, says Tex. At the lake, Tex grabs a stick. Here, Buck, he yells. Tex chucks the stick in the lake. Buck runs to the end of the dock and jumps. Splash! Buck swims to the stick and brings it back. Can Pup jump? Asks Jen. Well, Tex says, he can swim, but he has not made a jump yet. Let's see if we can get him to jump. Tex takes a stick and chucks it on the land. Pup runs and gets it. Tex pats him on the back. Next, Tex takes a stick and chucks it in the lake. The dogs run off, but Pup skids to a stop at the end of the dock. Buck jumps in and gets the stick. This time, Tex says, keep a hand on Buck and see if Pup will jump. Gran grabs Buck and hugs him. Tex chucks the stick in the lake. This time, Pup runs and makes the jump. Splash! Josh and Jen cheer and clap. Pup pops up and swims back to the land. But what has he got in his teeth? Is that the stick? Josh asks. No, yells Jen. Pup has a fish. And that is the end of the story. So for your work, you are first going to be looking at each set of words, and all of the words are types of nouns: person, place, or thing. Under each number, you will see that it says what type of noun. This one says thing. So you are going to circle the words in number 1 that are things. Is Josh a thing? A bike a thing? A stone a thing? A cube a thing? Or sweets a thing? There will be more than one noun for each question. So number 1 says thing. Josh is a person. He is not a thing. Bike is a thing. A stone is a thing. A cube is a thing. And sweets are a thing. So you would circle all 4 of those: bike, stone, cube, and sweets, because those are all things. Number 2, it wants you to circle person. So tree, Gran, plane, Jane, and bee. Is a tree a person? No. Is Gran a person? Yes. So you would circle Gran. Is a plane a person? No. Is Jane a person? Yes. So you would circle Jane. And is a bee a person? No. So you'll go through all of those and circle the type of noun that it asks you to do. And that is it for today. So, I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed our story. Splash Dogs. I'll see you later at 9:30 for our Zoom, where we will talk about types of nouns. Bye.